Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video, I am going to share with you. But before starting the video, I want to tell you if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Okay, without your supporting, I can't do anything. So now, without wasting the time, let's come back to point. So as I am going to express everything, because how am I learning English and how did I learn English, because I want to tell everything. Okay, uh, actually, first of all, I would like to tell you I am from village. I am from village and I don't have any environment and any person for helping me, because I want to improve my communication skill. I think this is a not important where I am from village or city. Important is what do you want. Okay, actually this is a your aim. You want to improve your communication skill. You want to improve your communication skill. This is a important. Okay, so in the video I would like to tell you everything. Okay, how did I learn English and how did I start speaking English, because when I went to the college, so that time I wanted to improve my communication skill, because speaking English was my passion. So that time I couldn't learn English very well, because that time I didn't have any partner and any environment. Because that time I asked every person, could you help me for improving English, but nobody helped me. It's okay, don't worry, this is a my journey, because I wanted to improve my communication skill. So I think this is a my aim. Okay, so after getting married I had a mobile phone, and then I started using the mobile phone and I kept the using. Okay, so that's how I started speaking English, and I started learning English. uh, if you want to improve your communication skill, you should put of effort toward your speaking English. Okay, I have two tips. Okay, two tips. First one is listening, and second one, we have tips speaking English. If you are good listener, definitely you will be good speaker. So listen as much as possible. Okay, actually, when I started learning English, so that time I didn't watch any English video. Maximum times I spoke, and I spoke in front of other people and with myself. Only that's it. I didn't watch any English video, but that time I didn't understand very well English. But this time I got it, because listening power is very important. You should have watched English video. So so right now I watch English video. So that's how I am able to understand very well English. Okay, so I think this is a very good tips for improving English, and two tips only. Okay, don't focus other things, only try to two tips, speaking and listening. And another thing, don't focus other people, because people always say something like this: you are not good, you are making the wrong. Don't focus other things, only try to speak English and don't think about people. Okay, actually, people have work to say. So people always making the mock. Okay, so I think even I have a excuse, because when I start speaking English, so that time people makes the mock. Okay, maximum times even I think about this thing. Okay, don't try focus on everything. Okay, only try to speak English because this is your aim. You want to be perfect in English. So that's it. In the end, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Actually your comment is very important, so please do the comment and like, and please share my video because your support is very important for me. Without your support I can't do anything. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.